I'm Kim Anderson from ThriftlyLittleMom.com, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make adorable little personalized pom-pom ornaments using your Cricut machine. So I'm going to be honest with you, in this video I'm going to show you some of the major fails that I had during this project because they were just things I didn't think about, and maybe they're things that you don't think about either. And my journey with you through these videos is to help you think about things as you begin to make projects, whether you're doing them for a party, whether you're doing them for decorations or for the holidays or even for gifts that you're making. So around our house we have a tradition of making an ornament every single year, and for me, with my twin girls being 3 now, I needed something that was going to be easy. These are plastic. Pom-poms works on that, fine motor skills. And so I wanted to be able to do a project with them that they would feel confident in, that they would enjoy, and that would also look pretty. As well as this year, I've got a Grinch tree. And if you want to read more about my Grinch tree and see the pictures, feel free to click on the link below. But this was to contribute to our Grinch tree because it has all the little pom-poms inside of it, which has a very Grinch feel about it. The clear ornaments are plastic. They were super inexpensive at the craft store, and I was easily able to use my Cricut machine to make really cute names and dates on these ornaments so that I can keep track of them year after year after year. I hope that you'll consider doing a project similar to this with your kids because I thought it was a lot of fun. And again, I am totally willing to share all my fails throughout this video to show you the things that maybe you don't think about before you go to do the project. So if you try to take a different take on what I'm doing, maybe I'll save you some time. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. So I started this project with a plastic ornament from the craft store and some pretty red shimmer vinyl for the machine, plus some strong grip transfer tape, which in hindsight I learned that I may need to go a little bit lighter with shimmer vinyl because it kind of can dull it a little bit if it's too strong. And I also learned that with thicker shimmer vinyl that it's better to use a custom setting. The next lesson I learned is that size and shape do matter in these ornament projects, and in this case I was gung-ho about making just monogram ornaments, so I wanted just the monogram letter, the one giant letter, and this is what happened. Yeah, I was not thinking about the fact that this was a round ball. So I thought, even though I felt like my inner Grinch was coming out for this project, I thought, and I realized, hey, I'll just make the letters smaller and I'll do them in separate rows. And this time I'll do the name and the date. So the do-over is line by line small text. I got back into the design space, got in here, and created the letters and stuff just using the text function. What I love about using Design Space with Cricut is that everything is so step by step. Like, you plug it in, it's on custom, so I set the material to the glitter so that it would weed a little easier. Then I followed the step 2 instructions step by step. Once those were done, I followed the step 3 instructions step by step, which is basically just to press go. And then the machine goes and does its thing like magic. Once the new ones were printed, I weeded these and got ready to attach them to the ornaments line by line. And this particular process went much, much easier, and I really, really loved how they looked when they came out. When you're making the vinyl ornaments, you need to add transfer paper, sticky side down, so that you can pick up the letters and remove them from the original vinyl backing. This allows you to transfer the letters so that they are in a straight line, orderly, neat, and just the way that you designed them. Carefully attach the vinyl and peel away the transfer. Next, add the line of text and secure and peel away just as you did before. kids fill the ornaments with pom-poms, hang them on the tree, and you'll have these adorable memories for years to come. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas for how you can make your own annual ornaments with your kids and make it a very special tradition year after year. And whatever you do, keep creating parties, celebrations, and gatherings that everyone loves. Hey there, if you really enjoyed this video, I hope that you'll like the video and that you'll subscribe to my channel.